Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Home Gardening. In this video, I'm going to share a very innovative way that how you can use waste plastic bottle as a hanging pot. This video is specially for those people who have less space but want to grow beautiful plants in that limited area. So let's begin the video and learn how you can grow Portulaca or moss rose cuttings in plastic bottle in a very innovative way. So this is a empty cold drink bottle in which I have made holes with the help of screwdriver, and these are Portulaca plants of 6 different colors. For this you will need an empty plastic bottle and moss rose cuttings. You have to cut bottom part like this with the help of a hot knife or any sharp tool, and then make holes in any pattern with the help of screwdriver. And this hole at the topmost part of the bottle is made for water drainage. You can make hole in any pattern, like I have followed a zigzag pattern, but you can make holes according to your choice. Now fill the bottle with soil mix, and for soil mix take 60% normal garden soil plus 20% sand or Cocopeat plus 20% vermicompost or decomposed cow dung, whichever is easily available to you. In case you want to buy them online, you can check description box to find link of those components. So I have filled the bottle. Now water well for the first time. So after 3 hours of watering, you can clearly see that whole soil mix is wet and completely set in the bottle. Next, we'll tie thread in these holes for hanging this bottle. Our hanging pot cum bottle is ready, and now we'll plant the cuttings in the holes. So first of all, remove all the lower leaves from cutting and then place one cutting in one hole. I'm here using multicolored Portulaca, but if you want you can use single color Portulaca also. That's completely your choice. As you can see that after watering, soil has completely settled down, so we need to put more soil at the top to plant some cuttings at the top of the bottle also. We have covered bottle completely with the cuttings, and when they will bloom, it will look so beautiful. So hang this bottle in partially shaded area for a week and then shift to a place that receives sunlight of 6 to 7 hours, as Portulaca is a summer plant and needs sunlight of 6 to 7 hours for better flowering. So friends, this is the update after 13 days of planting cuttings, and you can see how beautiful and attractive this hanging pot is looking, as it is covered completely with Portulaca flowers. So this way you can also make hanging pot with waste material available at your home, and Portulaca cuttings are very easy to propagate as well. They don't need much care also. So this was all for this video. If you liked it, then please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your gardening lover friends and family. If you are new to channel, then please subscribe and hit bell button to never miss an update from Easy Home Gardening. We'll meet you all again with some new information. Till then, thank you and happy gardening.